This is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, and of course you gotta also make sure that your phone is connected to the stable and working Wi-Fi network, since you can download stuff from Play Store using the cellular data, but it's way more convenient and cheaper even to use Wi-Fi for big downloads. So let me quickly log into my Google account and we will continue after that. So in here at the search bar, type in Opera. Then once the needed app is found, click at the install button and wait for the Opera browser to be downloaded and installed respectively. Once the app is ready, you can obviously go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the blue Continue button. Then decide whether you are ready to set Opera as your default browsing app right off the bat, or you can skip the step. And at this final page or step, you can either customize the permissions that Opera will have an access to, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.